Just by having a look at option, we can say that this is a problem of probability. 16 persons P1 to P16 are seated at a square table which has 4 chairs along each side. So it's like this. What is the probability that P7 and P13 sit on two adjacent chairs on the same side? So first of all, we have got to compute the total number of ways in which these 16 persons can sit around the given table. For this purpose, we need to fix position of a person, which can be done in 4 ways because the table has 4 sides. After going along any side, he or she has 4 choices, so first person can sit in 4 ways. Now remaining 15% can sit in factorial 15 ways on the remaining 15 chairs. So the total number of ways in which the 16 persons can sit around the square table is 4 into factorial 15. Now we have to find in how many ways two persons can sit adjacent to each other on the same side. If P1 P7 sits there, P13 can sit there, or P13 can sit there, P7 here. When P13 is there, P7 is there, or they can swap their positions. P13, P7. So if we take these two chairs, they can sit adjacent to each other in 2 ways. Similarly, when we take these two chairs, they can again sit in 2 ways, and finally when we take these two chairs, they can again sit in 2 ways. Some of these 6 ways are shown as there. So there are 6 different ways in which two persons can sit adjacent to each other along the same side of a table. In that case, there are 16 persons and they are to sit around a table having 16 chairs with 4 chairs along each side, where we have calculated that two persons can sit adjacent to each other along the same side of the table in 6 ways. Now we have to arrange 14 persons on the remaining 14 chairs, which can be done in factorial 14 ways. So total number of ways in which these 16 persons can sit around the circular table such that P7 and P13 sit on two adjacent chairs on the same side is 6 into factorial 14. So the required probability will be equal to the number of favorable ways upon the number of total ways. Favorable ways is 6 into factorial 14 and the total number of ways is 4 into factorial 15. This is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore option B is the correct answer.